Namaskar. Welcome back to you all, my dear friends. The Q4 result season has started. Results are slowly pouring in. Of the results so far, one of the results, Krishna Phoschem, that has done very well. Price is around 580, market cap 3,514 crores, price earning is around 20. Now let's take a look at the results. Sales are 755 crores in the Q4 quarter, March 26, and 659 crores in the preceding quarter, that is Q3, December 25, and 473 crores in March 25 quarter, that is a year ago quarter, Q4. So sales have gone up by 14.57% quarter on quarter and 60% year on year. Now we'll go to EBITDA. EBITDA is 89.5 crores in the latest quarter of Q4 March 26, 70.1 crores in Q3 December 25 quarter, and 56.3 crores in Q4 of last year March 25. EBITDA has gone up by 27.67% quarter on quarter and 59% year on year. That is also very good growth. Net profit is 83.1 crores in Q4 and 33.3 crores in Q3, 32.9 crores in Q4 of last year. So net profit has gone up by 149.55% quarter on quarter and 153% year on year. EPS has gone up to 13.72 rupees in March 26 latest quarter. 5.5 was the previous quarter EPS, and 5.43 was the EPS in year ago quarter. So EPS has also gone up by a great percentage, 153% year on year. So the results are wonderful, so strong. So financial year 2026 also is very good. FY26 revenue has reached 2,418 crores. Profit for the whole year is 180 crores, reflecting a significant year-on-year growth. Revenue from operations in the latest quarter is driven by higher volumes and robust Rabi season demand. EBITDA is supported by operating leverage and cost management, despite some higher price volatility. Profit after tax is aided by scale benefits and deferred tax. Now, production has gone up to 94,103 tons in fertilizer, including high utilization of NPK, DAP and SSP plants. In some plants, the operating capacity has gone up by 100%. So in FY26 totally revenue is 2,418 crores, an increase of 78% year on year due to higher volume growth across all fertilizer segments. EBITDA for the whole year is 298 crores, up 62% year on year, benefiting from favorable product mix and operational performance. Profit after tax for the whole year is 180 crores, up 109% year on year, reflecting improvements from operational efficiencies and tax benefits. EPS has also gone up to 29.1 rupees for the whole year, up 108%. Last year it was just INR 14, now it is INR 29.1%. Total production for the whole year is 3,97,263 metric tons, indicating strong market acceptance and efficient asset utilization. Capacity, NPK and DEP both have increased by 50% to 4,95,000 tons per annum. Total phosphatic fertilizer capacity is now 6,15,000 metric tons. SSP at 1,20,000 metric tons per annum. Now, backward integration also is there. Sulfuric acid capacity is at 99,000 metric tons per annum. Now, it has signed a 10-year green ammonia agreement under India's National Green Hydrogen Mission for 70,000 tons per annum. Credit rating also is very good at CRISIL A+ stable. Rabi season demand, stable demand and high production of P&K, 15.76 lakh metric tons during the peak months. Now, global input costs, ammonia and sulfur prices have increased in the global prices in late Q4. That is because of this war, etc., due to supply constraints impacting cost pressures. Policy support, subsidy, etc., is there. It is continuing to stabilize the market and alleviate the input cost pressures. So, market trends are good. There is a shift towards balanced nutrient solutions like NPK complexes and SSP benefiting integrated and diversified players like Krishna, Phoschem. For FY27 also, the management expects the benefits of recent capacity addition to reflect in its FY27 performance. So, growth is projected 40% at least. Stable agricultural environment is there, the government support is there. So, Krishna Phoschem does not expect any problems on that front. So, it has delivered wonderful performance in Q4 and total FY26 also. Strategy expansions are there, improved utilization is there, robust profitability is there. Therefore, it is Krishna Phoschem is one which should be on your radar. Now, whether you will actually buy or not depends upon your so many other factors, like what is your portfolio now, etc. Thank you for listening. Krishna Phoschem is good for almost among the first companies to declare the results. So keep it in mind. Thank you.